Is it time to buy or sell Microsoft stock? In this video, we are diving deep into Microsoft. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 6th of August, 2024, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the end of July 2024, our system has identified Microsoft as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -1.86. Let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has experienced a loss of 4.48%. This equates to an average daily loss of approximately 0.9% since it was categorized as a sell candidate. The stock is currently positioned in the lower section of a broad and weak upward trend in the short term. This situation typically presents a favorable buying opportunity. If the lower trend floor at $395.41 is breached, it will indicate a slower pace of growth and may serve as an early warning of a potential trend reversal. Analyzing the current 3-month trend, there is an anticipated change of approximately 3.46% over the next 3 months, with a potential return ranging from 2.37% to 22.51%. Regarding the 12-month trend, it indicates an expected change of about 39.60% over the coming year, with a possible return fluctuating between 38.23% and 67.50%. This projection translates to a price range between $552.38 to $669.35 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for Microsoft includes the headline: Microsoft stock price ended at $399.61 on Tuesday, after gaining 1.13%. The Microsoft stock price increased by 1.13% on the last trading day, which was Tuesday, the 6th of August 2024, rising from $395.15 to $399.61. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated by 1.8%, with a low of $398.51 and a high of $405.67. The price has declined in 7 of the last 10 days and is down by 10.17% for this period. Volume decreased on the last day by 16 million shares, with a total of 24 million shares traded for approximately $9.55 billion. It is important to consider that declining volume amidst rising prices may indicate divergence and could serve as an early warning of potential changes in the coming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $468.35, while the lowest price was $309.45. Currently, the price is 14.68%, or $68.74, below the 52-week high of $468.35, which also represents the all-time high for the stock. Microsoft is making headlines today as it has publicly criticized Delta Airlines for its inadequate response to a recent global tech outage that disrupted operations and led to significant flight cancellations. Microsoft claims that Delta mismanaged the situation and failed to accept assistance during those critical moments, which underscores potential reputational risks for both companies involved. In a related development, investors of Microsoft can partake in a fraud investigation initiated by the Shao law firm. This investigation raises concerns regarding potential securities law violations, which may inject volatility into Microsoft's stock in the short term as uncertainty looms over its disclosures. On a more optimistic note, the tech giant continues to capture attention in the booming artificial intelligence sector, with substantial investments in data centers. Analysts suggest that these investments could solidify Microsoft's position in a key growth area, benefiting its long-term stock prospects. Overall, while the current criticism towards Delta threatens to tarnish Microsoft's reputation, their strategic focus on artificial intelligence and cloud technologies may counterbalance these adverse impacts, suggesting a complex and dynamic outlook for Microsoft shares in the near future. Analyst ratings. On Wednesday, the 31st of July, 2024, it was reported that Goldman Sachs assigned Microsoft a buy rating alongside a hold action. On the same day, Oppenheimer rated Microsoft as outperform and also suggested a hold action. Additionally, on Wednesday, the 31st of July, 2024, KeyBank designated Microsoft with an overweight rating along with a hold action. Barclays also provided an overweight rating for Microsoft on that date, recommending a hold action. Lastly, Wells Fargo issued an overweight rating for Microsoft with a hold action on Wednesday, the 31st of July, 2024. Analysts have assigned Microsoft stock a general neutral rating. They consider the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell and the price-to-book ratio also as a strong sell. When it comes to return on investment, the analysts assign the stock a strong buy rating. The following signals have been identified for Microsoft. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Monday, the 5th of August, 2024, and so far it has risen slightly over 1%. Further upward movement is indicated until a new top pivot is established. Notably, volume decreased during the last trading day, even as prices increased. This creates a divergence between volume and price, which may serve as an early warning sign. The stock warrants close observation. There are also some negative signals that may influence short-term developments. The Microsoft stock currently presents sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, suggesting a more negative outlook. Additionally, there is a general sell signal indicated by the relationship between these averages, where the long-term average is positioned above the short-term average. On upward corrections, resistance may arise from the lines at $412.62 and $441.67. A breakout above either of these levels will trigger buy signals. Furthermore, a sell signal is currently present from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Here are some additional signals that may pique your interest. Moving Average Convergence Divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots show a buy signal from 2 days ago. Bollinger Bands also indicate a buy signal from 2 days ago. The short-term moving average has a buy signal from 12 days ago. In contrast, the long-term moving average presents a sell signal from 15 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 12 days ago. Analyzing the 12-month chart reveals the short moving average shows a sell signal from 17 days ago. The long-term moving average indicates a buy signal from 8 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages has a buy signal from 191 days ago. For further signals and insights, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Microsoft. Microsoft finds support from accumulated volume at $395.15. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction is expected when this support is tested. The stock typically exhibits average price movements throughout the day, and with solid trading volume, the risk is categorized as medium. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $7.17 between its high and low points, representing a movement of 1.80%. In the past week, the stock has experienced an average daily volatility of 2.83%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Microsoft, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio. commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. This PE ratio is relatively standard, often seen in companies with established histories or predictable revenue streams. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the third quarter of 2024 is anticipated on the 22nd of October, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates are set at $3.09 per share. It's important to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Microsoft. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Microsoft is at $415.13. If you do not own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a key level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Microsoft encounters its first support level at $395.15. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Microsoft from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 15th of July, 2024, Jala Alice L. executed an insider sale of 177,469 shares of common stock. On the 7th of June, 2024, Walmsley Emma N. conducted an insider purchase of 234 shares of restricted stock units. On the 13th of June, 2024, Rodriguez Carlos A. conducted an insider purchase of 5,369 shares of restricted stock units. On the 13th of June, 2024, Pritzker Penny S. conducted an insider purchase of 20,894 shares of restricted stock units. On the 13th of June, 2024, Peterson Sandra E. conducted an insider purchase of 40,358 shares of restricted stock units. Analyzing the most recent 100 insider trades, we have calculated the insider power to be negative, with a ratio of negative 83.187. Overall, insiders purchased a total of 14,177 shares, while selling 204,299 shares in the last 100 trades. Our assessment for this stock is unfavorable, and a stop loss has not been established. Is Microsoft stock a good buy? Currently, there are several negative indicators surrounding Microsoft stock. Despite a positive trend, our analysis suggests that Microsoft may underperform in the coming days or weeks. Consequently, we hold a negative view of this stock. After examining the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 7th of August, we anticipate that Microsoft will open up $1.65 and begin trading at $401.26. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. It is important not to base your investment decisions solely on information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.